Dear students, a very good morning to you. I hope you will be safe and sound. I am your English teacher S.M. Yusuf Aziz from Maulana Abul Kalam Azad High School and Junior College, Faizpur. Dear students, through my experience of teaching English at plus 2 level for 25 years, I have come to the conclusion that the students feel much confused about using definite article the. But now, if you watch this video attentively, none of you will be confused about using definite article the. So please do watch this video at least for 2 times, and when you watch it for the second time, go on pausing the video and take down the notes given in the slides. This will make your knowledge concrete. Dear students, this lecture comprises 4 parts. In the first part, you will learn about the different uses of definite article the. In the second part, you will learn about the miscellaneous uses of definite article. The third part contains omission of articles, that is, when not to use article like a and the. The fourth part in this series will be to test how much knowledge have you retained about the uses of articles. This part is titled as Spot the Errors. Now let's begin with the first part, that is different uses of definite article the. The first use of definite article is the article the is used when we talk about a particular person or thing or of something or somebody already referred to. For example, I bought a TV yesterday, but the TV is not working. Secondly, definite article the is used before unique objects. For example, the moon, the sun, the earth. The third use is definite article is used before directions, the east, the west, the north, the south. Fourthly, it is used before names of seas, rivers, mountain ranges, gulfs, groups of islands, canals, etc. For example, the Indian Ocean, the Ganges, the Himalayas, the Persian Gulf, the Andamans, the West Indies, the Suez Canal. The fifth use of definite article is that it is used before groups of nations. For example, the Netherlands, the UAE, the US, the Philippines. Definite article the is used before nationalities. For example, the Indians, the Pakistanis, the Americans, the British, the Russians. The is used before musical instruments. The piano, the guitar, the harmonium, the flute are the examples. Definite article the is also used before superlatives, and the examples are the best, the cleverest, the smartest. The is also used before ordinal numbers. For example, the first, the second, the third, the 10th, the 19th. Next use of definite article is it is used before unique objects, the moon, the sun, the earth. Before names of classical and holy books. For example, the Holy Quran, the Vedas, the Bible, the Ramayana. The is also used before an adjective to represent a class of persons. For example, the rich, the poor, the old, the unemployed. The next use of definite article is it is also used with double comparisons. For example, the more, the sooner, the better. The higher you go, the colder it is. The is also used before proper noun for comparison. For example, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. The next use of definite article is before names of caste and community. For example, the Pathans, the Rajputs, the Marathas. It is also used before certain idiomatic expressions. For example, in the wrong, in the air, on the contrary, the benefits of the doubt, out of the question. The is also used before a common noun to give it the sense of feelings and qualities of that noun. For example, the angel in him, the detective in him, the judge in him, the mother in her. Next use of definite article is before the revolutions, wars, dynasties, empires. For example, the French Revolution, the First World War, the Gupta dynasty, the Mughal Empire. The is used before the names of political parties, the BJP, the Congress, the Communist Party of India, the Republic, the Democratic, etc. The is also used before names of government departments, big business houses, industrial concerns and banks. For instance, the Ministry of Finance, the Public Library, the Income Tax Department, the Cooperative Bank, the Century Mills. The is also used before surnames when they are used in plural to denote either the whole family or the husband and the wife. For example, the Tatas, the Ambanis, the Birlas, etc. Before the names of journals and newspapers. For example, the Times of India, the Indian Express. The is also used when referring to an institution. For instance, the radio, the television, the telephone, the paper, that is newspaper, the train. The next use of definite article the before the type of meals if its quality or cost is mentioned. For example, the breakfast served in the morning was delicious. The dinner they gave at the wedding cost them 1 lakh rupees. Next use of definite article the is that it is used before the dates. For example, the 8th of August, the 7th of July, the 23rd of April, etc. Before parts of a body of a person in place of possessive adjective. For example, the teacher hit me on the back. He caught a girl by the arm. Next, before noun which is referred to as unique in the context. For instance, the principal, the chairman, the teacher, the kitchen, the town hall, the blackboard. And the last one in my lecture is before a noun which becomes definite by the addition of an adjectival clause or phrase. For example, the movie I watched was funny. The woman in the car, etc.